Gonzalo Coffee is a company dedicated to the production of premium coffee, as well as sourcing and roasting the finest coffee beans from their farm in Kenya and from other premium sources. The company, in its endeavor to supply its customers, has created a logistics plan whose objectives are as follows. 1. To create an efficient supply chain that ensures the seamless flow and supply of coffee from the farm to the milling and roasting facility and on to the end consumer. Secondly, to ensure a cost-effective strategy that utilizes strategic partners and efficient planning of the transportation of the product from the farm to the various facilities. Third, to maintain high quality standards through proper handling and superior roasting, ensuring a consistent and fresh flavor of the final product. Fourth, to set up a convenient, secure warehousing facility that is integrated with the roasting facility to ensure efficient storage and inventory management. And finally, using technology and artificial intelligence to optimize inventory levels, track orders, and provide customers with real-time tracking of their product. This logistics plan is designed to ensure the efficient, cost-effective, and sustainable delivery of our premium coffee products. By leveraging advanced technology and strategic partnerships, we aim to provide our customers with the freshest coffee at affordable prices by ensuring efficient logistical solutions are implemented at every stage of the supply chain. The company, Gonzalo Hills Coffee, is a company that deals with the production and sale of coffee. The company has transitioned from purely producing coffee to milling, roasting, and packaging produce from the farm and from other farms in the area as a means of adding value to the produce, as well as reducing dependency on green beans as a sole means of income for the company. The company, while maintaining its own coffee production farms, also supports local farmers by purchasing their produce using fair trade practices that allow for sustainable pricing, thus ensuring the continued flow of quality coffee for processing and sale. The company's primary business model is an agricultural concern. Consequently, the company places great reliance on a number of technologies. Information technology. Weather patterns and related information are sourced from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. This government-owned and managed program provides weather information at no cost globally to users. The company uses this information to predict weather patterns, thus preparing for any adverse weather conditions that may be forthcoming. In order to keep abreast of commodity prices, the company subscribes to the International Continental Exchange. The company also makes extensive use of spreadsheets to maintain records, track transactions. The use of the spreadsheet provides a recording of the daily transaction cycle that includes the revenue cycle, purchase cycle, payroll cycle, the production cycle, and financial cycle. Due to the large amounts of data generated, the company also uses a management information system that is a structured, multi-dimensional, and automated information system responsible for collecting, maintaining, and transferring essential information to support company management operations. This integrated MIS system is of great benefit to the company, especially when it comes to making major decisions. The company has opted for a software as a service, cloud-based solution that is customized to meet most of the technological needs of the company's operations. Software as a solution ensures that services are managed efficiently and cost-effectively, provide accessibility from remote locations, and allow for insights into the business that may not be readily apparent from conventional software. For a small company like Gonzalo Coffee, Software as a service is a cost-effective way to take advantage of information systems and technology to expand the business without the large outlay for expensive hardware and software. The company's procurement process. The company's procurement objectives. Procurement is described as the raw materials, component parts, and supplies bought from outside organizations to support a company's operations. For Gonzalo Coffee, the procurement process is taken as a strategic part of the business plan of the company, and to this end, the company addresses procurement objectives as a crucial part of the following. The company's procurement objectives: first, support the organizational goals and objectives, which are to transform from a purely production entity to a major player in the value chain of the processed coffee industry. Secondly, developing strong relationships with key suppliers to ensure favorable credit terms and build symbiotic relationships that are mutually beneficial. And third, maintain a database of suppliers that practice sustainable and environmentally friendly procedures in line with the company's sustainability objectives. The supplier selection process. The company, in recognition of the importance of the supplier selection process in meeting the overall organizational goals, has created the position of a dedicated board-level executive. The company looks to the use of analytics and data-driven information to make informed decisions in the selection of the supplier base. Given that not all suppliers are in the digital space, the company still maintains a strategic supplier selection process, SSSP, that relies on hard data from previous interactions to maintain the supplier relationships. Fair trade. The company strives to attain and maintain a fair trade certification that our product is ethically sourced, that no child labor or unfair or exploitative labor practices were used in the production and processing of our product. The company, therefore, expects and requires its suppliers to attain and maintain similar ethics. To ensure this, certifications such as Fair Trade and Rainforest Alliance are a requirement for all suppliers. Demand management and customer service. Demand management can be defined as the creation across the supply chain and its market of a coordinated flow of demand. The company intends to use a judgmental forecasting model that is an intuitive system, given that as a young company there is little to no historical data that can be used to create more accurate forecasts. The company can partially rely upon coffee consumption statistics that are readily available on sites like Statista, as well as information from the International Coffee Organization. The company intends to utilize a push production system based on predicted demand from distributors. Customer service. The company looks to incorporating the use of artificial intelligence in its customer service operations. The use of AI will enable the company to roll out chat dialogues that can improve the customer experience, as well as predict trends and improve response times to increase demand from polling that can redirect demand for different products to areas where there is a spike. The company has a number of customer service objectives. First, to build customer loyalty, ensuring consistent and growing sales. Second, quick response and resolution of any customer concerns. And third, create a pleasant and satisfying experience in the order process that ties into the objective of building a loyal customer base. Warehousing. Due to the different stages in the production process, the company utilizes more than one warehouse system depending on the stage in the production process and the end result of the product. The company primarily relies on private warehousing due to the nature of the product, which has a strong aroma and cannot be stored with other foods or chemicals. One aspect of specialty coffee is the traceability factor, where the end consumer can trace the product in the entire supply chain. Gonzalo Coffee utilizes a blockchain approach to the traceability of its product, ensuring integrity in the process. Once the product is in the final warehouse, packaged and stored ready for onward delivery to the customers, the company then looks to automate the process in order to enhance efficiency in the final delivery of the product to the final consumer. The products stored in the warehouse are green coffee and roasted coffee. Green coffee is stored in jute bags and can be stored in this fashion and maintain freshness for up to 2 years if stored properly. Roasted coffee has a shorter shelf life, hence the combination of green bean storage and roasting facility in close proximity so that the company can roast coffee quantities depending on the demand. Packaging. The final product is packaged in special packets that are breathable and resealable and allow for the coffee to maintain freshness and keep out moisture while allowing the product to breathe. Once packed in individual packets of varying sizes, the coffee is then packed in branded cardboard boxes with packaging peanuts to ensure the product is not crushed or damaged in transit.